my Fire Dragons lover, how you doing guys? I'm back after 5 months. My bike was in 2 different repair shops for service, and we will fix it. And I also ordered more clutch, like Empower clutch lever. For brake and clutch lever, I did order oakiness damper and some other stuff, and you will see my bike. So let's check how is my bike after repair. Fire Dragon, are you ready? Safety Fire Dragon. I did order also 2 mirrors, like Empower one. S1000R is crazy for city guys. love you, baby! Yeah! For my all subscribers! Guys, subscribe me for more fun videos with race with other cars, with other bikers, pickup girls. We have a lot of type of different videos soon. Yoo-hoo! I love all my subscribers. Take care and safe ride. Bye, Dragon. Say them goodbye.